channel Class Flight Community. So we have already completed the average value of AC, the RMS value of AC, that means the root mean square value of AC. Now let's move on to the two factors which are very much important for your perspective of your examination. So see, one of them is the form factor and the second one is the peak factor. So before moving on to the derivations to how to do the form factor, we should know what is form factor. See, it is the ratio of RMS value to average value of an alternating quantity is called form factor. That means we have to do the ratio between the RMS value of current or voltage, and the average value of current or voltage. So from the definition we can have a brief idea that form factor is equal to Vrms by VAV. Sometimes this voltage is also written as ERMS by EAV, and the current we can simply say that IRMS by IAV, right? So see, Vrms we know that is V naught by root 2. V naught means the maximum voltage and the V average is 2V naught by pi. As I told, V naught is the maximum voltage, and for IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2. So I naught is the maximum current, IAV is equal to 2 I naught by pi. I naught is the maximum current. Okay, so for form factor, we know that this part is a voltage form factor, this part is a current form factor. So we know that it is Vrms by VAV. So Vrms formula is V naught by root 2. So it is V naught by root 2 by VAV formula is 2V naught by pi. So V naught gets cut and we get pi by 2 root 2. So when we solve this, we get 1.11. Similarly, for the form factor of the current, it is IRMS by IAV. So IRMS value is I naught by root 2. So it is I naught by root 2 by IAV's value is 2 I naught by pi. So 2 I naught by pi. So I naught gets cut and we get pi by 2 root 2. So when we solve this, we get the value form factor is equal to 1.11. So both the values of form factor of current and voltage is 1.11. So this was our first factor for the alternating quantity, or we can say for the AC. So now let's move on to the peak factor. So our second factor is the peak factor. So before moving on to the derivation, we should know how to solve or how to define peak factor. So the ratio of maximum value to RMS value of an alternating quantity is called peak factor. Maximum value means maximum voltage or maximum current. Okay, so see, from the definition we can get that peak factor is equal to V naught by Vrms, or sometimes V is written as E naught by ERMS. Similarly, for current we can write I naught by IRMS. So we know that Vrms is equal to V naught by root 2, or IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2. So this portion is a peak factor for the voltage and this portion is a peak factor for the current. So we know that peak factor is V naught by Vrms. So we simply write V naught, and for Vrms we write V naught by root 2. So it is V naught by root 2. V naught by root 2, V naught gets cut and we get a root 2. Okay. So when we solve this root 2, we get 1.414. Similarly, we can do for the peak factor of the current, which is I naught by IRMS, and we can simply write I naught and IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2, right? So see, for root 2, we can write peak factor is equal to, when we solve this root 2, we get 1.414. So peak factor for both current and voltage, for voltage and current, is 1.414. So today's lecture ends here. See you all in the next lecture. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now is the code time. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.